In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free online store website using Prestashop, which is considered one of the best alternatives to Shopify. Whether you're venturing into e-commerce for the first time or looking for an affordable platform to expand your current digital market presence, Prestashop offers solutions that fit all kinds of needs. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to your preferred search engine and type in Prestashop. You will find an option titled Prestashop. Create an online shop easily, e-commerce. Click on this link to direct yourself to the main Prestashop webpage. Once there, you'll notice a prominent button labeled Get Started. Give it a click and you'll be on your way to setting up your online store. On the next page, click on Show Offers to reveal the different types of setups you can choose from: Classic, Hosted, and Enterprise. Each option caters to different types of users and business needs. Classic is a great start for independent users looking to download and install Prestashop on their computers. If this option appeals to you, simply click on Download and follow the guided steps that Prestashop provides for setting up the store. For those who prefer a more streamlined approach, the hosted option allows you to skip technical installations and start with a free trial. Just click Start Free Trial to explore this hassle-free path. You'll then need to create a Prestashop account by clicking on Create a Prestashop account. You can do this by entering your email address or simplifying the process by signing up with your Google account. If you opt for the enterprise solution, this robust offering is designed for businesses that need a scalable, feature-rich solution to accommodate complex e-commerce needs. It builds upon the classic Prestashop offering by adding enhanced security, customization options, and high-performance hosting tailored specifically for larger businesses. This path is ideal for established businesses seeking advanced functionality. Once your Prestashop store is set up, you can dive into the back office to start customizing your store. Here you'll have the freedom to explore various themes and configurations to make sure your online store aligns perfectly with your brand image and customer expectations. Take advantage of the customization opportunities Prestashop offers to create an attractive and user-friendly experience for potential buyers. And that's it! You've now learned how to set up your very own online store using Prestashop. With these steps, you're well on your way to launching your e-commerce journey, offering an accessible and customizable option for your digital business needs. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you embark on your new online venture.